Alright guys, welcome back. In case you're new, my name is Preston. I'm a master barber with over 12 years experience. In this video, I want to talk to y'all about zero gapping. It's something that I have noticed lately I've noticed it a lot over the years, that everybody's talking about zero gapping their clippers and their trimmers. So let's talk about what is zero gapping. First, zero gapping is taking your clippers, the blades on your clippers, and you're taking the steel blade and the cutting blade, and you're loosening the steel blade. You're sliding it back so it's even with the cutting blade. What this does is it enables you to cut closer. People have been doing it with trimmers for years, and they're starting to do it a lot with clippers. Here's the problem, especially if you're a new barber or if you're heavy-handed. It's not a good practice to use the zero gap blades. You're causing skin irritation. You're nicking your clients, and it's just causing problems. When you nick your client, there's going to be scabs. I see nice edges. Excuse me. I see nice edges come in with scabs. I mean, it's obvious that somebody had their trimmers set too close, or they were too heavy-handed, or whatever the case is. Here's the thing. I personally have every clipper and trimmer I have are modified in the way that they're set closer than they come from the factory. They are not zero gapped. In any of my videos, you will not see a trimmer or a clipper that is zero gapped. I don't believe in them. I don't think it's important to have them. I do skin fades all day long. I do every haircut imaginable, and I don't need them. If you know how to use your tools, if you know how to use your clippers and your edgers and your shaver and your razor, you don't need zero gap tools. You should be able to use your trimmers on kids, older people, whoever. You shouldn't have to worry about excuse me, is my trimmer set too close? If a kid moves and you nick him because your trimmers are set close or closer than they should be, that's a problem. So what I want to talk to you guys about is, especially new barbers, if you're a new barber, you need to learn how to use your tools. And I'm not saying I'm against modifying. I'm not. Listen to me. I have every tool I have is modified, every one of them, and I do believe in that. However, if it's causing irritation, if it's causing problems, if you're cutting your clients, if you're nicking them, if people are squinting away from you, listen, man, there's no sense in that. There's none whatsoever. Y'all have got to quit doing that. There's not a haircut out there that you can't do with a regular pair of T-edgers, a good razor and razor blades, a razor holder and razor blades, and your clippers. I mean, there's nothing out there. So I'm not real sure. Again, modified, yes, perfectly fine. Set them closer, nothing wrong with that. But this zero gapping stuff, man, I'm seeing it eat people up, and it's really uncalled for. Everybody thinks they're cool because their trimmers cut. Listen, you're gonna come back and cut them with a razor anyway, so I mean, what's the big deal if the trimmer's cut close enough? I don't understand it. And if you know how to use your edgers when you're doing the C-cups or you're doing the front edge, if you know how to use your trimmers, it's going to give a good line anyway. So you do your line, you know, you do your edge up, your C-cup, then you come back with your straight razor and you're going to shave it anyway. So what does it matter if it cuts, you know, closer or not? I don't want to get on a rant. I just wanted y'all to know that that's one of the things that I've been seeing for a long time is people messing up with these zero gap tools. One of the things I did I have a pair of Oster fast feeds that excuse me, that I took the regular blade off and I put a ceramic blade on it and I zero gap those, and I'll tell you what I use them for. The only thing I use those fast feeds for are when I do a skin fade, whatever, you know, I'll take my trimmers and then I'll debulk that and I'll shave. I have videos out there, you can see how I do it. I'll shave it, and then depending on the hair texture and the color of the hair, if it's dark, coarse hair, I'll use my fast feeds to go from open down to skin, just because they cut closer. But as soon as that's over with, I put them jokers up and I pull out my cordless masters. I do the rest of the haircut with my masters. The only thing I use those clippers for is getting that initial fade down, so I can blend it out, and it's just easier. And I understand the zero gapping in that, or I understand the thought process behind that. I totally get it. You're not going to hurt anybody, you're not going to cut anybody, you're not going to irritate the skin, none of that. But mainly it's these trimmers that I'm seeing. Y'all got to quit cutting people and irritating their skin. There's no call for it. That's really all I have for this video. If you like my videos, hit the thumbs up for me. Share my videos, please. If you have any questions, man, y'all get in the comments. If you have a video you want to see, get in the comments. Let me know. Ask me questions. I'll be happy to make a video on anything y'all, any topic that y'all have, any questions you have. I respond to every comment that is on my channel. I personally respond to it. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know what you need. Let me know any questions you have, whether it be business end of it or the barbering end, actually cutting the hair, or you know, tools, what tools, you know, you need information on tools. If you want to see different types of cuts, whatever anything you want, just let me know. Get in the comments, let me know, and I'll try my best for you. Until next time, see y'all later.